Hibiscus flower promotes hair growth, strengthens hair, reduces hair fall, suits the scalp, conditions hair, and adds shine and volume, prevents premature graying, and enhances natural color. Hi lovelies, yeah, welcome to my channel. How you doing? So today we are going to make hibiscus hair butter. Yeah, this is the hair butter that your hair needs. Okay, so here we are fetching the ingredients that we need, and of course our main ingredient today is hibiscus. So I've got hibiscus powder, and the next is a mango butter. That is my original shea butter all the way from Nigeria. These are herbs, dried herbs. We have cloves there, we have star anise, and all of that is from my previous video. And then this is our extra virgin olive oil. Okay, just take whatever works for you. If you have coconut oil, you can use. And please, while making this, make sure the pot or pan you are using is basically for your hair care product, not what you use to cook food on a regular day. So this pan actually is for my hair care product and nothing else. Okay, any pot you see me using on my channel is just basically for my hair care product. Then we incorporated our hibiscus powder, 2 spoons. This is my homemade curry leaves. Okay, if you're looking for the how to do this, check my previous videos. You're going to see how to make homemade curry leaves, and also have homemade neem leaf and all of the neem leaf powder, homemade curry leaf powder. That's what you have there. So you just put this on fire on a very low heat, guys. You don't want it to be boiling, because especially is extra virgin olive oil I'm using, so I don't want it to heat all that, you know, boiling. And if it's coconut oil, I would have boiled it for a longer time before incorporating extra virgin olive oil. So this is it. After it has cooled a little bit, you can see there was a kind of a separation. You see the herbs went down while the oil kind of settled was up. So when you have that consistency, it's that they have married so well. All right, so in my previous videos I have established the benefits of, you know, all of these products that are being used here. So today we're not talking about that. After this is done, all I had to do is to look at it again and sieving it for a second time to avoid carrying, you know, particles from the herbs into my hair butter. So this is it. We are going to incorporate some oil. This is our grapeseed oil. Any essential oil of your choice, you can make use of it. Whatever works for you, whatever you like, just use it. That's a vegetable glycerin. I just incorporated a lot of oil into this. Okay, and vitamin E oil. Okay, I just put 3 capsules. Whatever works for you guys. We have got rosemary oil, tea tree oil, cardamom oil, onion oil, lemon oil. I have all of those. Incorporate lavender oil to give it a good smell. Okay, and you are good to go. Just get all of those. You can just leave your oil. I made it 2 ways. You can leave the oil, you know, without having to mix it. That is a rosemary oil. I just had to drop few drops. Okay, and voila, this is ready. Look at that, it looks so good. Okay, so I had to keep this without using my mixer on it. You're going to see the video how it came out. Please do well to like this video for me, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If this is your first time of coming across my videos, thank you so much for watching. Please do well to stay glued, stay blessed, and check for previous videos on this channel. And if you're my returning subscriber, I love you so much. Thank you so much for your support. And this is the consistency here, guys. This is it. This is beautiful. You just keep it inside your cup or whatever you use to store your hair butter, and you are good to go. You just enjoy this. Please let me know in the comment section if you have any question or if there's a video you want me to make, and of course I will respond to that. God bless you. Thank you so much for watching to this point. Please, if you have not liked the video, do well to like and do well to subscribe and on the bell. And this is the second one, so if you don't have the time to start using your mixer to mix that, you can just leave it like this, and it's perfect. I actually love it this way, and that is it. Voila, they all are looking so good. The fragrance of this oil, this butter is top notch. This is it. It just melts away. It just melts away, and it's the the potency of it is on the high level, so you know you're getting something that is powerful. You're not just putting chemicals. There's no chemical here, no preservative, and this is it. Look at the hair butter. This is outside view, and it is giving premium. God bless you. Bye.